Hi kids, here we are with the fifth chapter of your reader book, and that is safety first. Whenever we move out of the home, then the first thing that we consider is safety. Okay, when we are moving out of the house, we cover ourselves properly, we even put on good shoes so that we are not hit by anything, and we dress up properly, and everything we consider, we just think about before moving out of the house. Even when we step out of the house and there are stairs, then we just see that we properly move on the stairs so that we do not fall down. Okay, so here this chapter is related to the same thing, and it is the title of the chapter is safety first. That means in everything that we do, we should first consider our safety. Pehle kiska, we should keep in our mind that we are safe. Wherever we move, we are safe. Okay, so here the poet describes the scene of the road. Okay, when we are crossing the road, then what are the things that we should think, that we should consider, that we should take care of, so that we are safely crossing the road, we just reach on the other side of the road very safely. Okay, so here we start with the poem, that is safety first. Okay, in which we are discussing about the precautions we should take, or the things we should consider while crossing the road. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Down the road I look as well and listen for the horn or bell. There's something coming, wait a bit, if I run out I may be hit. But now the road is clear, no cars or bus is near. I'll run across the road so wide, hurrah, I am safe on the other side. So I have reached the other side. Let's read the poem once again. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Down the road I look as well and listen for a horn or a bell. There's something coming, wait a bit. If I run out I may be hit. But now the road is really clear, no cars or motor bus is near. I'll run across the road so wide, hurrah, I am safe on the other side. It's written by Enid Blyton, who is a very famous poet. And again I'll go through the poem to tell the rhyming words. Just see the rhyming words which we can see in the poem. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. See and me, both are rhyming words. Next, down the road I look as well and listen for the horn or bell. Well, bell, both are rhyming here. There's something coming, wait a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. Bit and hit, both are rhyming words here. Just see how the poet rhymes the every next line with the previous one. But now the road is very clear, no cars or motor buses near. Clear and near, they both are again rhyming words. I'll run across the road so wide, hooray, I am safe on the other side. Wide and side, both are again rhyming with each other. Now, let's go through the poem line by line. Up the street I look to see. Up the street I look to see. Street means the lane on which you are walking. Okay, so up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Okay, so what we do while crossing the road, we look on both the sides, up on the right side, down on the left side. So first we see on the right hand side if any traffic is near to me. That means traffic includes all kind of vehicles. Okay, so if any vehicle is near to me, okay, so I see first on the right hand side whether any vehicle is near to me. Up the street I look to see. I look this side just to see whether any traffic is near to me, whether any vehicle is coming near to me. Down the road I look as well and listen for the horn or bell. So I again look on the left hand side to see whether there is any vehicle near to me, or any vehicle is blowing any kind of horn, so that I can wait for a minute and cross the road after it passes away. okay, or after the vehicle passes. So to see these things, to keep myself safe, I look both on the right hand side as well as left hand side. If any traffic is near to me, then I'll wait for a while, then I'll cross only when they pass through. Okay, see, let's see the next line. There's something coming. If there is something coming, so first I saw on the right hand side to see whether any vehicle is coming, then I saw on the left hand side if any vehicle is blowing the horn to pass. So on both the sides I see, and then what do I see? There's something coming. If I see that some vehicle is coming, some vehicle is in speed or some vehicle is running towards me, then what I will do? Wait a bit. There's something coming, then wait a bit, then I'll wait for a while. Okay, I'll not hurry, I'll wait for a while. If I run out, I may be hit, so I will wait for a while, because if I run out, that means without seeing on the right hand side and left hand side, if I run out, that then I may be hit, I may get injured. Hit means a vehicle may bang into me, it may just hit me and I may be injured. Okay, so I'll just wait for the vehicle to pass. But now the road is really clear. But what do I see? If there is, the poet says that there's something coming. First condition is, if something is coming, then I'll wait for a while. I'll not hurry, I'll just wait for a while. Why? Because I may be hit and I may get injured. But now the road, what does the poet see now? That the road is really clear. That means on both the sides there is no vehicle that is near to me, that is coming near to me. So what does the poet see? That the road is really clear. No cars or motor bus is near. So the poet says that there is no car or motor bus near to me. The road is clear. I'll run across the road so wide. So I'll just go from this side to the other side. I'll just go fast from one side to the other side. So the poet says, I'll run across the road. That means I will not take much time, because I am crossing the road. I have seen on both the sides that there are no vehicles on the right hand side as well as left hand side. But that doesn't mean that I will move on slowly. That means that I have to cross the road quickly so that the vehicles may pass on. Okay, so what I will do is, I'll run across the road so wide. So the wide road is in front of me and I'll just run across. That means I will move across, pass through it. Hooray, I am safe on the other side. So as soon as I reach there, I am just relieved that I am safe on this side. I have reached the other side very safely. So that is the thing, that the moral of the poem is that while crossing the road, we should be very careful. We should see both on the left hand side and right hand side that the vehicles, any vehicle is not near to me. Then only we should cross. Otherwise, we should wait for a while. That the traffic is clear, that means the vehicles pass on, we should wait for that, and then only when the road is clear, then only we should cross it. Then also we should cross it quickly, because again the vehicles may come near to us. Before that, we should cross the road quickly and reach on the other side safely. Okay, so the writer is Enid Blyton, who gives us the moral that while crossing the road, be very alert and see on both the sides, and then only cross the road if it is clear. Let's come to the question and answer. So here we are asked, who has written this poem? So the poet is Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton has written the poem. What is the first thing you must do before you cross the road? Now the first thing that we must do is, we should look up and down, and we can also say we should look both on the right hand side as well as left hand side. So the first thing we should do, we must do before crossing the road is, we should look both on the right hand side and left hand side that any vehicle is not near to me, okay, or the traffic is not close to me. Okay, so the first thing is looking right and left hand side that the traffic is not near to me. Next is, write one rhyming word for each from the poem. Now already we discussed the rhyming words while reading the poem, so just Tell me, what is the rhyming word for sea? The rhyming word for sea is from the first line, up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. So the rhyming word for see is me. Yes. Next is well. The rhyming word for well. What will be the rhyming word for well? Here is the rhyming word for well. Down the road I look as well and listen for the horn or a bell. So the rhyming word for well is bell. So first for see, there is me, well, bell. Bit, we have already read it. The rhyming word for bit is hit. Let's see once again the rhyming word for bit, and the next we are having hit. The next we are having clear and near, and the last we are having wide and side. Let's see it is there in the question or not. Yes, it is there. The rhyming word for clear is near and wide side. Okay, we reach on the other side. Okay, so here all the rhyming words are done. Next is fill in the blanks. So now there are few lines of the poem given to us, and we are supposed to memorize it and then fill it. Okay, so what will come? But now the road is very clear. What are the exact words? Let's see here. But now the road is really clear. So but and now are given, the road is really clear. So here we'll fill now is already given, the road is really clear. The road is really clear. No cars or motor bus is near. Now the next line is, I'll cross the road, I'll run across the road so wide. So here I will run across the road so wide. Okay, so I will run across the road so wide. Next, hurrah. Now hooray, I have reached the other side. So what is the line of the poem? Hooray, I am safe on the other side. So what should I write here? I am safe on the other side. I am, we can use the contraction of I am. So I apostrophe am. I am safe on the other side. Okay. Hooray, I am safe on the other side. Okay, so the exercises are done. Next question is, draw two things you see on the road. Now two things that we see on the road are, we can draw the motor bus, we can draw cars, we can draw bicycle or two-wheelers or auto rickshaws, anything we can draw. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can draw here. Okay, so thus complete the exercise. In the next video, we will come up with the next chapter, the 6th chapter. See you then in the next video. Till then, subscribe for the channel and also like the video. Okay, and also memorize the poem. Okay, fine. Thank you.